Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add GPU to SignalRGB. Nothing is more annoying than installing RGB to turn your PC into a tiny Las Vegas casino, and then realizing your GPU is nowhere to be found in the Devices tab. The first thing I usually check is whether the GPU is actually supported, because SignalRGB can be pretty picky sometimes. Head over to the Supported Devices page on the SignalRGB website. Go into the GPU section, then match both your GPU brand and exact model number. Even if your brand appears there, the specific model still has to be listed, or it probably will not connect properly. After confirming compatibility, I usually open Signal RGB settings and turn on automatic conflict closing, because apps like MSI Mystic Light, Armory Crate, or IQ love fighting over RGB control like divorced parents splitting custody. Once those conflicting apps are disabled, restart Signal RGB and check the Devices tab again. If your GPU is supported and connected correctly, it should appear there automatically, ready for lighting effects, customization, and whatever unnecessary rainbow mode you suddenly decide your PC absolutely needs. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.